Sally up and bring Sally down. Last gun start, gotta tear the ground. Bring Sally up and bring Sally down.
Oh, you hear that? Actually have a working radio in this car. So it's taken me probably about 3 weeks, but I've been able to figure out the challenges with the wiring harness. And even though I don't have everything hooked up, I got the basic things hooked up. So I have power to the radio, which I was not able to do. There were a total of 3 wires that I needed to make sure were connected. The ground that I figured out, there was continuous power with the yellow wire that actually goes to the stereo. And that actually keeps all the settings and everything. And the wire that was not hooked up was a 3rd wire for the accessory wire, and there was just no connection available for that. So I had to splice that in. Right now I have temporary connection set up, but as you can hear, those are actually working. Once I was able to hook all of that up, my adapter that I had to order an additional part that was not included with the original setup was able to allow me to have my aftermarket radio work with the speakers. The reason that was a challenge is because, well, this car has fiber optics built in. So fiber optics for all of the audio video components. So I needed an adapter in order to hook in so that my radio could actually talk to the speakers. But after I got all that hooked up, I got power with my phone. I'm actually playing music through the internet connection on my phone and doing this video at the same time. So technology has come a long way, very, very far away since this car was actually built. But again, this car was top of the line for its time, and I'm looking to grab all the benefits I possibly can from it. Now, I still have to do some additional work. I don't have all the accessories hooked up, so there's no radio. Let's see what else there's nothing of. I don't have my steering wheel's control set up yet, and a lot of the other functionality that this radio will support. So, basic stuff for today. Radio's working. I can play music. Everything I can do on my phone, I can do on my radio, but some of the additional stuff that are the nice bells and whistles for a car, that's what I still have to work on. But huge momentous day for the fact that I've gotten as far as I have so far, and for everything that I had dreamed of putting in this car and making possible. I am maintaining progress on that journey. So I appreciate you tuning in, and I'll catch you up as I get progress, but it's looking good. All right, see you next clip. Bye.